Hello, welcome to Maths with Jay. Here we're looking to simplify x plus 1 over 2 plus x plus 3 over 3. So that means we're looking to get an answer of something or other over something or other. So let's think about how we're going to do this. Well, if you look at the denominators of the two fractions, they're just numbers. So we can really deal with these in the same sort of way as we would deal with adding ordinary fractions. So we think about that in terms of finding a lowest common multiple of the denominators. So we start off by looking at the 2 and 3 and finding their lowest common multiple, and that will give us our common denominator. So in this case, that's going to be 6. So we want to write each fraction as something over 6. So we're multiplying top and bottom of the first fraction by 3. So what we've done there is we've replaced the half by 3/6, and the second fraction we're going to be replacing the 3 by 6. In other words, we've multiplied it by 2, so we need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. So we've replaced the third by 2/6. And now we need to multiply out the brackets in each of those fractions. So we're going to have 3x plus 3 over 6 for the first fraction and 2x plus 6 over 6 for the second one. And as they're both over the same denominator, let's just write out one fraction now. And then we can add together the like terms. So 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 3 plus 6 is 9, and the denominator is going to be 6. A way of checking that this is correct is to choose a value for x and make sure it works for that value. So let's choose... I wouldn't choose something too easy like 0 or 1 or one of the numbers that we've already got there, so I'm not going to choose 2 or 3 either. How about choosing x equal to 4? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left hand side, so the original expression, and write down what that's equal to. So x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1, and that's over 2. And then x plus 3 is 4 plus 3, and that's over 3. So that's my original expression, and I've just replaced the x's by 4. So now let's work out what that's going to be. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4 plus 3 is 7. And now I've just got to add together two ordinary fractions. So I'd multiply the first fraction by 3 over 3. So we've got 3 times 5 over 3 times 2. And the second fraction, we'd multiply top and bottom by 2, wouldn't we? So that we've got 2 times 7 over 2 times 3. So we have got 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 7 is 14, and 3 times 2, well, they're both over that, so we've just got one line there, so that's 6. So we've got 29 over 6. So that's what we get for our original expression. And now let's see what we get for our answer. Well, that would be 5 times 4 plus 9 all over 6. So that's 29 over 6, which is the same as what we got in the other calculation.